Okay, tell me about what you understand the electromagnetic waves. Uh, uh, because last time we talked about the electromagnetic waves, we will go through the electromagnetic waves, and then again we will touch the dimension, and then we come to the your electrical waves, and then chapter today will be I thought I hope so we will be finished.
Okay. No problem.
So mm, be, be, before that I'm just asking just uh, uh, maybe better to mention. So last time we talked about the SRF, Self-Realization Fellowship headquartered in the Los Angeles, and I was forgotten. There is one. India is a many uh, what is call it electromagnetic wave in the frozen wave. So I'm living in the Rishikesh, and it's near the 40 kilometer. There is a Haridwar. So Haridwar, there is a one ashram. Uh, uh, is a that is called Prem Nagar Ashram, and that ashram is still is very energetic, and it's also the thousands of monk and nun, thousand, not only thousand, maybe more than thousand monks and nun and and so that's why it's a get problem sometimes due to the weather or something. It's almost problem.
Yes.
So okay, we continue. So that ashram also like that because I wanted to connect to that history. There is a one book. It's a Light of Wisdom. It's a very nice book, and it's a maybe you can find in the internet on online or so that book Light of Wisdom, the biography of like a autobiography of yogi, it's a Paramhans Yoganand ji written by himself, and then like the same Light of Wisdom Maharaj. Okay, and he was the great yogi and the very powerful yogi, and when he planned to uh, actually the India, his name is a title of given by the Paramhans. There is a one great title. In the same way, his name is a Yogi Raj, means like uh, king of the yoga. Okay, so he has such a great power. I never met him, but I live his ashram, and they so powerful. And then now his elder son is running organization, and he's a really holy person, and so and I follow. I'm just a disciple of that ashram. So uh, mm, he say when he was planned to make the one ashram in the same story like a Brahmans Yoganand ji moving to the Los Angeles, and he was searching to the land, okay, where is the suitable land to get to build the ashram. And that time just a cross there is one what is call it mm, mm, just a not a mm, I forget the name actually. uh, mm, Okay, in the you can say the bank on river Ganga. He's just walking through that street, and he saw there is a one place. There is a pond. The little water in the little pond, and the water is there, and the mongoose and the snake, because the both are the enemy each other.
Mhm.
Okay, so mongoose and snake both plague in that little pond.
Okay.
And so he saw, listen, and then he intuitively he knows that that place is so powerful. And he decided to buy that land, and that ashram is called Premnagar Ashram. Premnagar means city of love.
Mhm.
Okay. So, and if you go little more history of that land, okay, the is it the golden time, there is a monks gathered together, all rishis gathered together, okay, and did the Bhagavatam, that is the bank of Anand Ghat. Okay, it's a not officially record, but it's there, and it's a that Anand Ghat, and that is thousands of monks gather there, and they glorify devotionally song and discussing the devotionally what is call it mm, uh, um, prayer, worship of the Almighty, and that's why the land taken the such a huge energy. Is a collector, and that the energy is a progenitor. So the nature of the energy also is there. Energy not negative, not positive, but the which way is created, that a little bit nature will be there. So that place is a people gathered for love to devotion for the Almighty. Okay, the all monks and in the time of the golden time. So that land is representing to the city of love. Okay, and that divinity, that spirituality. I don't know. Because I need to see properly. So actually this I love to mention, because I was the more than years that ashram. So and then I thought, let me share these things. So now uh, you will be see now I'm a little bit shifting, because I told you the about frozen energy. Frozen energy is a naturally Ludus. I given the example of the Ludus and all Jyotirling of the India. So you know that the all that is the in self-influent light, which is called it the Lord Shiva temple. It's a famous 12 famous temple. It's in India. No. And that temple is not Shiva is a decorated form. It is a simple, is a rough stone. All the 12 is a simple rough stone, and people are getting blessing. And I given the example of the when the disaster came in the Kedarnath, the whole thing collapsed, but the Shiva temple was the remain. So all these things indicating about the electromagnetic wave. Maybe the science is still not reached that place, okay? But later and sooner, this is the matter for research and to discover and quest, okay? So uh, we are fortunate because of we are path of spirituality, and so we know little, we see the things little differently, है ना? So mm, as you saw, the first is a naturally develop, naturally happen, and there is a socially create energy, okay? And that socially the things will be shipped, okay, but the energy will be remain, and that energy we can use in for the higher purpose, okay? Now when we talk about these things, naturally, uh, socially, socially also there is a not intention count, okay? Not individually, the people unknown, okay, maybe creating some energy, but it's unknown now, in not know कि there's some energy is collecting here, is continuous, is going to the in preserve mood and the frozen the energy, okay? Because we when we act, and that is a many waves radiating, and that surrounding the object is a acquired this energy, okay? Is a take the energy take place according to your own way, okay? So this is the one kind of the science. Another kind of the science you will be see like a symbols, okay? We using the symbols in America. There is a Oregon city, okay? And in the Oregon city, uh, uh, one mandala is there. Mandala is a you can show in internet.
Yeah.
So mandala is a one precious, prosper symbol. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a very prosper symbol. So those who need prosperity, okay, so they in the house they um, controversy, but even the great person, great. I will not say the enlightened, but it's really very highly elevated. Okay,
Yes.
so because the I do not want to go in the some controversy thing, but the beauty we can touch because we taken the beauty from the whole house also.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just here we are here to take the blessing, okay, and take the beauty of the surrounding, not to that any kind of the dust of the surrounding, okay? So
Yes.
also when he was the America and he buy the land, it's a big land, it's that the place is nearby the mandala only,
Mm. Okay.
okay? So mandala is a more than 10 mil or maybe 16 mil, 16 mil or 23 mil. The detail will be there, okay? You can check it. There is also there is a spreaded the news, okay? Because when the Osho select that place, that time the very desert was there, okay? No population, nothing was there, but also select that land, and the people, the follower of the Osho, they are asking ki, oh, why you selecting that place? Are you say, are you asking something?
No.
Okay. So why you selecting that place? Because that there is no because he said uh, very interior area is a remote area, you know. So it's very difficult to start the community commune, but also not listen to any of the disciple, and actually he selected that land. Okay, but later on, the America and also the fight, and then also back to India, that things not materialize. Many things happen.
Yeah.
Okay, now when also back to India, and then much later there is the Air Force. He saw from the top, Air Force pilot. There is some diagram, some art on the because the complete desert, so it's not simply you can see from the to standing the land, but he saw from the top.
Yeah.
Okay, and he first time discovered, and he that message came, and that was the digging of that lining. There's some places is a 1 feet and 1.5 feet also, and it still is there. Okay, it still is there. Okay, so, and the science, some part of the scientists, they're researching that. Okay, and the research going on. Still the people are looking at how the mandala came here, this continent, because that symbols is already the Hindu using that. Okay, and very familiar in Hindu community. So they will not deny that some American designed that. Okay, so it's a, of course, the now I will give you some other signs which you maybe I hope you will understand. So when we dial the symbol, so we can dial on the piece of the paper.
Yeah.
Okay, we can dial on the any metals and any mud, land, something like that. Okay, or the very more subtle and more powerful, we can dial in the air.
Okay.
Or maybe you can dial on the piece of the paper, or because the whole idea is depend upon your because you say that mandala may be the 16 meal.
Yeah.
Okay, and that 60 meal is a dial, is a making the mandala is a not possible.
Yeah.
Okay, because that the degree, angle, is everything we have to properly to notice that, otherwise doesn't work.
Yeah.
Okay, so and we here you should not forget that mandala representing the prosperity.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and as you know, the America is sucking the energy from the Europe,
Yeah.
Asia, Africa, and all kind of the talent people, and the talent of the Europe, talent of the. So if you go America, it's a very a strange country, So if you want to be in the America, because you need two things. Something you have to be lose, maybe the money, or something you have to be offered, maybe your talent, something you have to be offered. Okay, or something you have to lose. If you don't, if you nothing to lose there, to lose there, then America will not allow to stay. Okay, so something you have to lose or something you have to offer. Okay,
Yeah.
such a country design like that. Okay, and that country, I'm not criticizing the country. That's the beauty of the country. if you will see the some Arabic people are, they have good money, you know, because and so they came and they spent a lot of money here and there, you know, and you will be see the some European and Asian many country, a small and bigger country, they very conscious. Management is so strong, the suck the all efficiency, strength,
Mm.
and what is call it talent. If you have a good, a smart talent, the America make you room for you. Okay, so I'm just trying to connecting the how the prosperity is a drawing from the surrounding, is magnetically attracting and the sucking. You know, you're getting the problem, getting the things now because of the. I would say that it's a because of the mandala.
Mhm.
Maybe people will be and not accept that, okay, because it's here our very because we are free to express our opinion, no? So anyway, now mandala, how the mandala is a big mandala created the Oregon city, made the Oregon city, and it's a very efficient way. So there is another idea which you maybe understand. So dial the mandala on the paper or maybe mud or maybe metal, okay,
Mm.
and mentally he put he bring on the air, because whole creation, which is your materialist world, you are showing that the object, actually there is no particular object exist in this world, okay, so particular not existing, okay, because everything is energy, only conscious exists. So no particular exist, no space is existing,
Mm.
and if a space is not existing, that means movement or moment also not possible. Okay,
Mm.
so there is a other complication of the philosophy, but point here, if you just when you divide conscious, one conscious exists without second, है ना, which is called God Almighty, whatever you can say that. But another way, when we divide the two part, the centripetal and centrifugal force, then we can do in own way. Okay, so dial the mandala and the all creation is the Brahma is a creating the, it's a thoughtron, is a lifetron.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so electron, proton, neutron, we know.
Yeah.
But electron, proton, neutron go little more further, that thoughtron and lifetron. There is a one book says God talk with Arjuna and the second coming of the Christ, written by the Paramahansa Yoganandaji. Very nice book that he explained better way the thoughtron and lifetron. Okay,
Okay.
so uh, so that thoughtron become lifetron. So mentally you can heal the people, you can disturb the people. So mind, the mind is the war begins from the mind.
Yeah.
Okay, and peace also come if you want to peaceful in the in the society, that's also mind mind act there. So through the mental power, Anna, because the meditation to develop the concentration, because concentration is not meditation, but concentration help to meditate. And when you become the good meditator, so your mental power so powerful, so you can draw the energy from the nature in own way, and if the anything you can enlarge,
Mm.
or anything you can but through the mentally you excuse that. Now we can see somehow this magician did in what is called it in the circus or somewhere you will be see some magician does like that. Okay, in the low platform. You, you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a dial the mandala in the maybe in the very a small piece of paper of a small place of the air
Yeah.
in mentally. So you can we can dial the mandala on the piece of paper or maybe with the in the Christ conscious between the eyebrow. Okay, and that mandala through the mental power we can put in the air. Okay, and air, and that is a very physically exist. Okay,
Yeah.
and that mandala we can expand as much as we can.
Mhm.
The one single person, not we, I.
Yeah.
If I dial the mandala and if you know the signs of any symbol, so you can expand, and not only expand, you can shift from this place to other place, and this country to another country, this continent to other country continent. Not only that continent, we can shift the mandala in the other planet also.
Okay.
Because I'm just giving the example of the mandala, but which symbols we just thought on its lifetime, the whole universe. Indian astrology is so a smart astrology. If you see the we have the planet and planet. Do you know the why we need subplanet planet?
I don't
Because
know.
our moon is the planet,
Oh, okay. I didn't knew the term subplanet.
Actually, the it is so designed, made. I'm just here. One Madam Mary is a discovered of the uranium or something.
Mhm.
Madam Mary is is a great scientist. She told, may I not believe the God,
Mm.
but I saw the electrons moving in the order.
Yeah.
Okay, in orbit is moving in the order, and that order, where there is order, must be some individual guiding is there. Some supreme power
Yeah.
is made the order in the that such a tiny electrons. Now it's a light science little more change is electron in predictably jumping, that is a quantum jump. Okay, and this also there is a very law now. So that almighty, so it will be see subplanet of the earth is a sometimes because the Indian astrology not calculate by the sun. Okay, so all the calculation will be through the moon.
Okay.
So the first they calculate the geometrically or mathematically, they calculate the what is called a latitude and longitude with the moon. They focus centered on the moon, not in the sun.
Okay.
Do you know why? Because when some energy, suppose like a constellation, we constellation,
Yeah.
and the constellation, we have the 12 constellation, and after the constellation, big constellation, okay, that was the 27,
Okay.
okay, and if you just little imagine from the earth to the big constellation where the 27 is there, and that so far vast information, they collect the authenticity, okay, and he put in the Jyotish, which is called the astrology, and how the people affect that. So one like a earth affecting by the moon or maybe Jupiter or something happen in the moon and Jupiter. So first the earth is a come to the earth, and then it's a come to the individual.
Yeah.
And anything effect, cause and effect, is if the person is a more sensitive, okay, more receptive.
Yeah.
If person is insensitive, then less effect will be there, more less effect, maybe good or bad, or less receptivity also will be there, okay. So sensitive should not to be over sensitive. Over sensitive or insensitive is not life,
Okay.
okay. So the spiritual life is a sensitive life, not oversensitive, not insensitive. Oversensitive is a disease, and insensitive is the stone life, like animal life. So the astrology not for the stone, astrology not for the plant. Actually they are effect going on, okay. Because if that something happen, that plants also be disturbed or something, water, all elements get disturbed. But astrology only for the our what is our human mankind, and because the human mankind is more sensitive than animal also, okay. So we are the just uh, is a social animal, you can say. So see now here, if in the 12 year, after 12 years, every the stars, big stars, they resurrect, recharge,
Yeah.
reform, okay. And because if not resurrecting, your resurrecting system, the recycling system, nature, we know that, science know, but resurrecting system, okay, resurrecting system, science just understand, because the sun is stable, aesthetic, and the all planet moving there, and the life going on. Because of the sun, there is the you will be see the hydrogen, helium, all fine gases is there,
Yeah.
okay. And that fine gases is there, there is a fusion, and the fusion and fusion energy.
Yeah.
So fusion explosion
Yeah.
going on in the sun. So that's why the sun giving tremendous amount of energy to the earth, and then we are alive. If
Yeah.
sun gets shut down, become cold, okay,
Yeah.
after 8 minutes our life will be finished,
Done.
okay. So when done. so so fusion energy, so when the some start resurrecting, and so when we resurrect, become youth, because if not, then it will not constant, not will be the thousands years the living, other it will be see the many star not resurrect. And if you see the galaxy or somewhere, then its electron start to losing, okay. And that electrons start to lose, then the huge big more than thousands year of more than thousandth time of the earth, that a star become is the so squeeze, is seen, you know.
Yeah.
Have you seen the, you can see the some internet how the lose the electrons and become smaller, bigger, then become smaller. So when it resurrect, then tremendous amount of energy is spread at the universe. So moon, because the sun not capable, so some energy moon can grasp, and through the moon the earth can get it.
Yeah.
I wanted to give you one example, very famous example, you know. So in India there is a one every year, the uh, the virgin girl, they worship 1 month, is in winter time, that is the Kartik Mas, you know. They worshipping and they worshipping mm, uh, uh, to uh, to leave the, because the, you know, India, the mostly the femininity mind is a want to the settle down. Okay, so maybe the eastern or western, the femininity, they want to settle down in the society. So
Yeah.
in respect and proper way. Okay, a respective manner. So the Indian girl take the morning time, is a dawn time, is a maybe 3 or 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. They get the bath in Ganges or any kind of the river, or maybe and they worship to the what is called is Venus.
Mm.
The Venus,
Yeah.
at that time the Venus was the so strong in the morning time. Okay,
Okay.
and they worshipping the Venus to just a wish to the to find the good couple and live harmony life, to family life, all these things. So the man also did like that, my boy also, but most of the ladies did in India, does in India. Okay, so and it's a very famous, very auspicious month in India, Kartik Mas, you know. So now I will give you a little more science, which is very deep, and still some, and then our race also not know by losing that kind of the sight, and so in the after the constellation, the 12 constellation we have, there is a big constellation where is a 27 constellation is there, and there is the two star that is called twins star.
Yeah.
Okay, generally twins star, one will be center and one will be move in the circumference.
Yeah.
Generally you will be see in the, but that star is very different, little different than other. They revolving each other. Okay,
Yeah.
so that twins star, they're revolving each other, and it's a, our rishis given the name Vasishta Arindhati. Okay, so Vasishta and Arindhati, very ideal couple in the golden time of India, and he was the great rishi. Okay, so it's a great rishi, and it's a Vasishta and Arundhati is a wife name, and Vasishta is a husband, and he's a great rishi, you know. So. Just try to understand, because the beauty, where the hidden the beauty. Okay, so Vasishtha and Arundhati is a resurrect, is a recharge, reform himself, herself, and that tremendous amount of energy is spreaded. And between the Earth and the Vasishtha, okay, the Jupiter came, okay.
Mm.
Jupiter and all the Jupiter, he sucked the all energy the Jupiter, and Earth could not get it, okay. So they worship the Jupiter, and the getting the energy from the no, sorry, not Jupiter, sorry here, Venus. In the between, the light banding, so in the between any object will be there, the energy will be sucked, or it can get bind and then to reach to there, okay.
Mm.
So if you light not travel in the straight way, okay. So if you see the energy form is in the form of the light, so it's a blessing, the coming in the light. God also is the light, no?
Yeah.
So it's just coming, and then in between is a Venus came, so that is a almost the energy sucked by the Venus, and so we are taking because he is a source of that Arundhati Vasishtha, and so we are taking the energy from Venus,
Mm.
okay, and that's why they worshipping such a particular month, particular time. You see the particular time, that the dawn time,
Yeah.
not in the daytime, because the at least the Venus should be visualized in the sky, okay. uh, and they worshipping and the getting the blessing. See, such a great configuration, and that great configuration, because when we talk about the dimension, we should not forget to the astrology, okay. And because you will see the tropic Cancer and tropic Capricorn and equator, there is a 3 line is there, but if you see the Earth, not lining is there, but tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn, and the equator, the major 3 line of the Earth, and dividing the where the sun rays, how much will be there, where is the less, where is the,
Yeah.
and the North Pole and South Pole also, that they are dividing that, and according to that is a nature change, okay. So in India you will be see the 23 degree of the north equator, and uh, uh, that is some city is connecting to the tropic of Cancer, is a state, and then it's moving to the Brazil or somewhere, something like that, so and then you will be see that place is a different energy will be there. And I tell you one more thing, India is a more fortunate, but that's why but Russell is given the very good statement about the India, because India is not country but just the ecological event,
Mm.
okay. Yes, and it's really true, because India, you will be not see the country wise, you will be, if you see the country, then you will miss the India. India is not country. I told several time, maybe I born India, or maybe the next time I will be born some other continent, who knows. And maybe the previous life, I was somewhere, but India is such a relaxed energy, or if you are a really little spiritual seeker, then is a India make you room for you, So generally, I told the India is not country, but it's just a spiritual platform, and people can perform willingly, lovingly, and without disturbance. So such and of course, some hypocrites and this that is a craziness will be there. But if you are a sincere spiritual aspirant, India uh, not only blessing the plant, tree, um, big river, many big river you will be see in the world. No river worship, and India no river you will be find कि people are not worshipping, है ना? Is this Ganga? है ना? Every evening there is arti. Arti will be there. Every bank of the Ganga, from from the born of the Gangotri, Gomukh, to the just merging to the in ocean in Bengal. You will go anywhere. The people doing arti, worshipping. So we worship plant, we worship the everything worshipping. So such a devotional atmosphere, you can find it. The people are logic is there, reason is there, but still the devotion is so powerful. You know? So that's why the people is I just see the attack came from the uh, uh, many attacker came here. They rule this country. Okay, thousand year, है ना? Sometime Mughal के Mongolian, sometime huge, some British, but still the culture value, the system alive. You know, the Babylon gone, Egypt no more, and Egypt a little bit is there. Many European country you will be see that they lose the our culture and the system. You will be see the Rome, how develop was there. Even your Romania or all these things, but but India is still is ready to guide the world for the spiritual and smartly put up the spiritual and the Ayurveda or all these things in the this modern science. So my point is that India is just sometime it's just joke. I tell you one thing. Maybe I share or not. It's once a time. I was in the California. There is one group of the people. I just given that, and I just told you India is a spiritual country, and the one girl is a highly reject me. How you can say that yes, they are a spiritual country? We are also a spiritual. And I'm okay, no. A spiritual, but individually, spiritually, you may be a spiritual person more than me. But I'm talking about the country wise, the land wise. And so tell me, have you been there in India? Bole ki every year I used to go and live in the 3 or 6 months. I earn there and living there. I'm like, why you live there? Well, I feel relaxed and peace. When meditation will be a start? Meditation. When meditation will be, if you will not feel peace and that if you moment you will be in the land in the America, they very active play.
Yeah.
You have to be actively active. But India is a passive active. India energy is a passive active. People you can find the lazy, crazy people, but those who are the sincere, the energy is the very passive and passive active. They are not active. So that passiveness, that's relaxation of this land he has. That's why they are doing. There are two race started. One, when you see the vastness of the nature and the warring, just disaster and calamity killing the people, the one race started, the science developed to overcome from the obstacles of the nature, disaster and calamity of the nature. There is one race come, and another in this another we call the teammate. They saw the vastness of ocean and nature. They frightened, and he closed the eye, and years, thousands years they meditate and to reach to the source. What is the behind this nature? How to overcome? How to control the nature? Paramhans, the title of the Paramhans is a meaning of that the ruler, commander of the nature. He can nature is a complete, is a what is called, is a beyond the nature. You can say the beyond the nature, because we are on the natural platform. So the disaster, calamity, virus, cyclone, flood, earthquake, all these things disturb us. Okay, but those who are the Paramhans, they command the nature. Okay, so Paramhans command the nature. That's why the Jesus walk in the maybe he don't have the title, but in the same way the Paramhans, he walking the Galileo Sea.
Yeah.
Okay, and he changed the simple pond of water in the wine. So these are the miracle because of his command of the nature. So India, the Paramhans title is now the people are often using that Paramhans. But the Paramhans, the Paramhans Yogananji, almost 10 years he served the America and he proved the Guru. Before he was the Swami Yoganand. Okay. And when he back to the 30, when he went then that 1920 and back to 1935, maybe after 15 years. And after 15 years, he get the title. The blessing from the Guru is Paramhans Yogananji. Before you will be see the another literature. When the Paramhans Yogananji delivered the lecture in America, there is Swami Yogananda. No Paramhans Yogananda was there. Okay, but when the Guru, because he proved that now it's not affecting the. So, Paramhans, the title, which title we give the Guru give the disciple, or sometimes that disciple give the Guru. Okay, it's also like that. Like if Vivekananda, he given the title of the Paramhans his own Guru. Okay, because he not the time of the Paramhans, Ramkrishna Paramhans, the no one called talk about the Paramhans. But after he passed away, Vivekananda given the title of the Guru. So this dignity or this kind of the you can is not worldly certificate. Okay, so Paramhans can change the rule and regulation of the nature. Okay, so and that's why, and there no Guru. If the Guru now you will see the Guru is everywhere. Every walk of life you will find the Guru or the master or something. Because if you learn something, I can give you something, and you can maybe be impressed from me, but I'm not controller and command to the nature. Okay, so unless to reach to the state of the Paramhans, is not deserving to become a Guru of anyone. This is the law of the spirituality. So that's why the very rare, and for very fortunate people can get the guru. Okay, and but you know the devil can also deliver the lecture of the lecture from the scripture. Okay, but and then people confused, the social mind get confused, and the hypocrite uplift in the society. We learn from here and there, Anna. And you know, before that I came in the this path of the yoga. I was giving the in Hindi there is Bhagavatam. I give the just glorify of the Almighty Lord Krishna or something, you know. So there is also kind of the it's a 7 days lecture. It's a continue will be there. And once a time there in the Jaipur is near Rajasthan. Once a time there one ladies came, the young ladies. I wanted to take initiation from you. I'm like, no, I'm not initiated guru because I'm not deserving that. I'm a simple spiritual aspirant. I can little bit guide the people. Okay, I can share the people, support the people, but I'm not a guru. Right? And then she and husband and the wife as the assistant professor, the lecturer, there is PhD in physics, and man also the PhD in the math. And and then I simple given the one two lecture there, and they impressed by this personality. Oh, he's a great person. Okay, and he wanted to take the initiation from me, and I denied totally. And then I just convinced both of them because no, it's not because they are educated, so they are understood. So see how the hypocrisy start.
Yeah.
It is easy to become the guru because it's a very easy business in this world to you learn from here and there and you become guru.
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we come to the point because when we talk about the freely talk, then we can move here and there, you know.
Yeah.
But we focus the same point. Okay.
Yeah.
But these things also help to understand. Okay.
Very.
To remove the cloud of our conscience.
Yeah.
Okay. So subject, we are in the topic on the subject, but the relative something will become in the naturally. Okay. And something we can miss also. So now when we talk about the symbol, okay, then symbol, so you should remember the one thing. First is a naturally develop. Second, which we not know. Second, socially develop, which also we not know. Third is a artificially we can design like any kind of the symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Got the point? So what the symbol is, you know, here I also mention the many oldest language in this world, like a Tamil, like a Hebrew, Greek, Arabic, Latin, and more other language. Some are the when we talk about the Om class.
Yeah.
You didn't record the Om class, no?
Unfortunately not, because it was on WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, yes. So in the is a we talk about the pictorial language or this language, that language. The Sanskrit complete language. That Sanskrit is a classical. So almost we can say the Om Christ also, but the mantra is there. Generally, mantra is what is the mantra is there? Mantra is nothing, just the cosmic electrical configuration. Symbol is nothing but the cosmic electrical configuration. The amount of energy how to draw from the cosmos for the particular purpose. So particular mantra, healing mantra, prosper mantra, this mantra, that killing mantra also is there. No. So if you want to disturb someone, also there is a mantra is there. Okay. So all kind of the cosmic electrical which I'm translating. Just try to understand because you are this is your part of the subject. Electrical configuration. So you see that no coding
Yeah.
in the computer coding.
Yeah.
So computer coding is a no. You will literally will not translate about the alpha hash dot and this and that. But
Yeah.
and that word, most of the mantra is not literally translated, but is a just electrical cosmic electrical configuration is there. And if you dial properly, then dial effect will be in the same way the swastik mandala. I told you about the Hitler symbol.
Yeah.
And it's just opposite to the swastika. Hitler symbol is a disaster and this is the peace.
Yeah.
So swastika is a peace symbol.
Yeah. The origin.
So now you will be seeing there is when we dial or make the mandala or all this. So we have to very conscious about the angle, degree, okay, lining, measurement, and then frequency. So how the latitude and longitude we are taking that because of the tropic of the Cancer, tropic of the Capricorn, and then equator. So how the sun, how much degree will be there, okay, and according to we create our chart. No, this and then the astrologer predict. No.
Yeah.
These are the so in the same way when we talk about the symbol, so symbol also there is a angle, degree, frequency, measurement, and you will be seen. We should not forget the pyramid. Okay.
Yeah.
If you go the pyramid is a design like that in the Egypt. Pyramid design like that. We say to how to attract the Sirio. There is one star. It's connecting to the Sirio, a star, and it's a there is some electrical. It's a many. We not touch here because pyramid also. Pyramid when we talk, then we will take the deities also. Okay. Because if you see put anything in the triangle shape, so you will be see the India use the all kind of the symbol. The triangle will be there. So the all kind of the triangle, if something with the triangle is a more preserved, okay, more constant and more durable.
Okay.
So when you will be sitting in the meditation in that way, you are in the triangle shape, in the pyramid shape.
Yeah.
So the gravity less gravity will be effect. If the gravity less gravity effect, then you will be not decayed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are decayed, we are getting aged because of the gravity. Okay,
Yeah.
so and if gravity not affecting, because that's why the India use like a blanket and some skin of the deer or the lion to sit, and also the silken cloth.
Okay.
These all are the bad conducted of the earth.
Okay.
Okay, so you will be overcome. So you will the earth electrical not disturbing your own individual being of meditation. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So now you will be going the Peru. There is a they call Indian call the Treja Rekha, and also they many meal, that many meal is spreaded that rekha, that and they are using same kind of the angle degree which are using in the mandala or swastik and these things. So the Peru also is there. Okay, it's not only Aragon city, in the Peru also is there. So Peru have actually some kind some cyclone or something happened. So there is some broken. But still, if you go, there's some in a tourist guide, they will be give you some detail about that. Okay, so that symbols also you will be find in the Peru. Okay, so whole idea is that our rishi, and then when we talk about the rishi, not means only the Indian fellow, all elevated soul like Jesus, Saint Francis, in our Buddha, Rama, Krishna, all enlightened fellow, how much they did for the human mankind. Yeah. And that's why they are still alive. We are worshipping. Okay, so see the Peru, you can confirm, you can go through the and many other places also you will find that kind of the symbol, and that symbol they are using that square what is called is a
circle.
Circle, length, breadth, and is a angle, degree, frequency. Because if the angle will be not correct, degree will be not correct, that is not proper frequency catch.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will be see the old radio card or computer card. So there is a electrical path was there.
Yeah.
Have you seen? Now you know that the things.
Yeah.
Even your so electrical path. So that electrical path we talk about that when you how to travel to the, if you want to go to the from the moon to the Jupiter, and between the moon coming in between the moon is there, then how it will be go the check the it will go the electrical path, not the estate. There is no estate line.
Be around.
Okay, we around, and so we find the electrical path. So that electrical path we have to be proper design, and that's why the tradition, the teaching should be the traditional. Teaching should be in the continuous and a continuity, lineage. Okay, so when we talk about the lineage, so when you learn from the some scholar, then no error will be there. because when he draw the line, the simple line,
Yeah.
then he give you the value of the line.
Mhm.
They give you the meaning of the line. What is the hidden agenda of that line and that degree and the things. So not simple. It's like a mandala. So these things we should understand.
Yeah.
Okay. So now when we talk about this, all these things, it's a mandala. So India, you will be see many temple. Now I'm coming to the little more detail. Many temple, like a one temple is a shadow Shiva. So shadow Shiva, the Shiva is the open sky, open. There is no roof is there.
Okay.
Okay, and many pillar was there. Okay, and if you and always one pillar shadow will be the Shiva lingam, Shiva temple, Shiva lingam, and the science searching there where there which shadow coming to the that lingam, and they could not find it. Okay, so it's still there in the and the other you will be see there is a the notes of the sound sare gamma pama ni sa dha. Okay, there is a classical music started from there. So sare gama pamani sadha is from the real natural flow in the vocal cords, and so sare gama pamani dha nidha. So that seven sound you can just knock to the particular pillar and wall, that sound will become.
Okay.
Okay, and there's also you will be find in there is a Hampi, the maybe more than 100 kilometers there is a temple, and different of the research is there. Okay, archaeological department they are preserving they are protecting them, but the population or this and that is disturbing our old science. And the one pillar is not in the base, so you can take the any kind of the curtain and paper from the base of the pillar. Many of the pillar no connecting with the no foundation is there, and then whole roof of the temple upon that pillar.
Okay.
So is it not only one example? Many temple is a very special, and is a even not know people, and there's some temple is a continuous dropping the water. Okay, and that water came from source not there, source they could not find the source. Such a mystery, such a hide and seek, they how smartly they built it. Okay, and these are also, and all the you will be so go to the mosque or the church also is some kind also, and the temple you will be see there is a dome, and we most of the temple you will be find that will be completely they design 360-degree. Okay, so the 360-degree is a 180-degree and 90-degree. 90-degree is a simple house, and then 180-degree is a half panorama, and then 360-degree whole earth frequency, frequency will be covered from the all corner of the site. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are the also connecting to the there is a one semi kind of the mandala
Mm.
or the symbol. So they if they put the one brick of a stone somewhere, uh, built the house or the temple or whatever, they know the how much effect coming from the surrounding.
Yeah.
Okay, and how it's work. So generally will be see the north side, there is so high energy is there. So Indian house you will be see the many people not put the uh, north side bathroom will be not there. Okay, so mostly north and east side is a corner of the altar will be there in a meditation. So if, which direction you can meditate, it's more you will be get more energy. This all these things is a connecting to the one unit cell. Okay, so we should not forget just to talk about the dimension, ask you dimension, and then it's how much you are connecting here. Okay, and it's a correlated, you can't say that it's no, it's not part of the dimension. Now you will be see the little more deities, na? So Indian deities like a Ganesha, Hanuman, all these things, there is a they are also symbol. Also, when we use when you make the deities, okay, that deities generally will be mud and particular wood, particular mud, particular stone, or uh, there is three four things, and also they using the eight metals of the deities.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so all the oldest deities is a eight metals of the deities. So how much gold will be there, how much copper will be there, how much lead will be there. These all are is a proportion equation. Okay,
Yeah.
not put more gold and more copper, not like that. It's a proper proportion is there, and that is no that is like a fun make the some white stone like a sangmarmar, but generally that is made by the eight metals. Okay, mud. You will see there is a one Jagannath temple. Okay, it's a just made by the wood. It's a one is a neem tree. He made by the neem tree, and is a design the symbols and something is there is inside, and so such a tremendous amount of energy is a creating such a piece of wood. Okay, so but you have to know the mathematical value, equation, geometrical, uh, then it will be understand. So all that is now that is connect to the your mobile. Okay, little bit to just to understand.
Mhm.
So uh, all kind of the devices, smart devices, even the satellite, you know the rare earth elements,
Yeah.
and that rare earth elements helping you to draw the energy frequency easily, catch the frequency.
Yeah.
Okay, and then your devices work.
Yeah.
So
Good.
we are using the rare earth element. If you go little more more back, then you will be see the in the same mobile in the Motorola or all these things they are using the gold also, and the all rare earth elements is a connecting to the metals is a more gross, and rare earth elements is a more subtle. So, but they're coming from the metals only,
Yeah.
and that is the only earth.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Earth clay. They are metals is nothing but earth clay.
Yeah.
And that earth clay, how you can use that? Okay, that is the main thing is there. Okay, and when we are using that metals, so a rare earth may frequency catching and devices work in the same way. He's catching the cosmic frequency, and people are worshiping, and that is responding that.
Yeah.
Okay, so Veda, we are believe in the, see the controversy. People are saying the Hindu have the thousands god. Actually, see the hidden meaning of the god. It's all god and goddess. You will be see the Das Mahavidya. The Devi is a different sari, different ornaments. The Divine Mother, different weapons, the different effect is there.
Yeah.
Not all Divine Mother is the same form. You will find Kali, you will see the different form, Durga different, Tara different, Sorsi different. It's a different symbol, and the mantra also is changing. Now it's a worshipping, the rituals is also is a get change. So now the deities, and they are using the rituals. Okay, and rituals also there is a mantra. So mantra and herbs, which herbs we need, and particular time, particular place. So see, connecting the deities, the mandala, and if you see the all yagya, they use some symbol and then perform the yagya with the herbs, with the because they are connecting the five elements. The Veda says not more than five, but in the science is 100 elements is there, more than 100 elements is there, but all are come from the five only. Okay, so that five elements you have in your hand: water, earth, and fire. These three elements you can using for healing, you can using for your betterment, you can using for others, using for the higher purpose, lower purpose, whatever is up to us. And you will be see all the deities, all these things we are generating and creating, accelerating. It's just nothing but the cosmic electrical configuration. It's clear?
Yeah.
Huh? So now, when we talk about the cosmic electrical configuration, okay, so in have you seen some kind of the art in the Western artist also design, and Indian also. If you first, if you see, there is just a rough lining will be there, maybe here and there. Nothing is there. And I forgotten the name. But if you go more deep and connect to the lining, then you will be see there is maybe some man image will be there, or something will be there. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Kind of the
Abstract,
huh?
abstract work.
abstract science, we say art, abstract science. So see the how smartly he is. He is that image, that visible eye. The first glance you can't. You have to find the image. Find the symbol. In the same way, all are the hidden way. Okay, and you have to find the image and the hidden meaning of the electrical path. Okay, and so it's a going, how you know, because the the we know fore side, far side, hand side, and even the all side. Okay. So this four side, our understanding, first day I told you, the understanding should be clear. To see that object as it is properly, proper understanding, crystal clear vision need here in spirituality. Not like a information. Information is there in the Google. What the difference is between we are taking the online classes, you are devoting the time because of you want to know some authenticity, to learn valuable things, not like information is there. So that four-sided and far-sided, hand-sided, and even the all-sided you will be see. Then you will be see there is two picture, the slow motion of the picture, okay, and cosmic motion of the picture. So suppose the video when if you want to show the some detail in the video or something, so first you if you put the like now is a digital camera, there is a live photography, okay, and then you have to even the video stop and it will go in the slow motion, and it's a fast motion of the picture. So slow motion, fast motion of the picture, first you have to clear the sight and then slow motion and fast motion picture, and after that we can know the cosmic motion picture, cosmic motion of the picture. Okay, and when we talk about the cosmic motion of the picture, and then again coming to the coding, electrical path, and that electrical path dimension is nothing, just the electrical path of the individuality. Try to understand. The the mantra is a coding of the cosmic electrical configuration. If you want to understand the cosmic motion picture, okay, not 3D or 4D, then you have to be understand is a electrical path, okay, that electrical configuration, and that electrical configuration you will be see ECG, and EEG you will see, and music waves. So our brain waves IQ checking, EQ checking, because of the waves, and whole universe. Now, because this is a part of subject, so universe is a wavelet. Okay, and that wavelet is a wavelet of the universe. Can you imagine how many dimensions will be there? Huh? And you are the part of the universe. You are the microcosm to the macrocosm. and microcosm, whatever happening in the universe, in the same thing going on within us, within me, within you.
Yeah.
And that within you is that infinitive. That's why you see the nature of the people like a telegraphy. So your signature is my signature is a different. Your character, my signature, my representing my character, my personality, and background of the character. So I think, boss, is it clear your dimension or not?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
still any question
No,
about the dimension? Is it crystal clear?
almost. I have a few thoughts in my mind, but as I make it clear, I'll understand better.
Okay. And one thing I wanted to know, is it only information and if you get something?
No, it's not only information because information I can find, but I'm not interested only in information. I'm interested
Huh.
in connecting what I feel with what I get.
So,
Um,
so which I detail give you the very subtle detail like a that is like a tropic of Cancer, the lining of the earth, the all these things, which when you meditate and you connect to that things, and then you will be know the infinitive dimension is there, and that electrical path we have to make the own way. If you want to go to the Jupiter, uh, mm, sun, moon, and more than this solar system, some any constellation, big constellation, that individuality can travel. है So one cell can travel in the infinitive.
yeah,
One thought, one you, and then here you should not forget that electrical configuration, how it's coming? It's coming from the your thought tron.
you
And
know,
that thought,
yeah.
yes.
This morning when I was meditating, I had these questions came to my mind, and I was like, okay, we have electrons, but we have thoughts.
Hmm.
How
Yes.
how do we get thoughts?
Hmm. So, and I will tell you the Brahman Yogananji said that within the second, 3,000 thought come across. They say radio waves. Which is not your individually relating. So it's a wave coming and going, and just uh, meditation. It's very good monk is from the SRF. He's very educated person. He given the one example. He said his name is Soumya Smandananji. And he's given the very good example about this like a bird flying on the sky, an aeroplane flying on the sky, but we are not bothered about that. But when the bird make the nest in your head, then problem start.
Yeah,
Okay, so in the thought run is a traveling. So when the nesting, and when he just locate is acquired our thought run, when we catch the thought,
yeah,
okay, and start playing with the thought in meditation, then problem start. So
yeah,
thought run, they don't have own energy, because electrical wave is a move.
yeah,
So you just objectively observe. That's why you need to some object for concentration. We need some objects like a mantra, like a pranayam, like a that is like a symbol. These are the help us to concentrate to away from the thought.
yeah,
Okay, and then you will be see the only the wavelet is thought on. They don't have own energy. They can't stand by themselves.
okay,
So thoughtron become the lifetron. So see, thoughtron, how to become the thoughtron and lifetron? You see, one cell, your blood cell. is a more than 80% is a space.
Yeah.
Okay, and your thought tron is a gathered together, and in the see the simple law where there is a space, intelligence gathered together.
Yeah.
It's a law of science and law of Veda, because the intelligence fill that place. Okay, and it's a space, and then intelligence gathered together according to your mentality, mind, your conscious. What kind of the conscious is there is entering in your blood cell, and that blood cell is a gene, genes, and chromosomes, and which is called DNA. We checking the DNA or something, and then that cell, blood cell, segregate, become semen, a sperm, and that is a connecting to the your father. You are connecting to from your father, and your son connecting to you.
Yeah.
Because, and that's some idea, something, some property taken from the father side, from the mother side, something like that, because of the thought become life, thought turn become. So that's why they say that in India there is a 16 sanskara is there, and there is a 16 sanskara. One of the first sanskara, how to conceive, when to conceive, whom to conceive, where to conceive. That is called Garbhadhan sanskara. Okay, and it's a particular time and space need, and that will be you can provoke the higher energy, and it's come. And also you have to perform some to resurrect your recharge your vital force.
Yeah.
And then it's a strong and a smart beings kind of enter, otherwise not. So see, such a great philosophy, which is not the way of the life.